Hi, I hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be basically doing an e.l.f. haul try-on style situation. First off, I'm going to show you guys the things that I got, like some things I actually bought from their new collection, which is the Cookies and Dream collection. Some of the things are from their, like the Putty Primers, their Putty blushes and all of that. I also did already go ahead and film this face using all this makeup, so I have inserts of me applying these products on the face. So basically I just used all of the new products that I purchased, and I'm gonna be letting you guys know my first impressions on each of these products. So if you want to see my thoughts on everything that I purchased, just keep on watching. Before that, don't forget, if you like drugstore makeup, go ahead and stick around, subscribe, maybe hit the bell so you're notified whenever I upload. And if you could like the video if you like it, and the video is going to start right now. So let's start off talking about the gifts with purchase. The first one is the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Daily Cleanser. Super excited about this. Not sure if I've tried this before, but I definitely cannot wait to try it. I've been going through my skincare quite a bit this month, so I'm happy to get another one. Next, we have an e.l.f. Happy Hydration Cream. It's a face cream, which looks like that, which is also part of that same line, I believe. Happy Hydration and Holy Hydration. I also got another one of the e.l.f. Mint Melt Minty Fresh Cooling Cleanser. It was a gift with purchase, basically free. I just went ahead and threw it in my cart. Why not? So I did already use that once before and I liked it. I just wasn't going to repurchase, but since it was free, why not? As part of the e.l.f. Cookies and Dreams collection, I purchased their Milkshake Overnight Mask, and this just looked really interesting. I really wanted to try it out, so I'll definitely update you guys. It's like really messing with the lighting, but I'll definitely update you guys on this product soon. So let's start off with brows. First off, I did use a couple of other products that were not from e.l.f. that were also new to me. For example, this eyebrow pencil from Beauty Bay in the shade Brownie. Really amazing color. I love that my eyebrows are not super dark today because I've been using one for my Shop My Stash that's in jet black, so it's like my brows have been really dark lately, but this is just so perfect. I'm so happy that I finally tried it out, so I'm really happy about this product. It's really nice and like stiff, but in a good way, where it's not like a really creamy formula where it doesn't slip and slide, and I feel like my brows are just looking good today. I also went ahead and purchased the e.l.f. Wow Brow. I believe this one's in dark brown, and honestly I have to say this is really nice. I also went ahead and deepened my brows up just a tad bit. I'll have an insert again of me applying it on the screen. I feel like my brows are set, but you could also feel that it's actually doing something, and I was a little scared because when you look at the brush, it does have like little fibers in it. I don't know, I was a little scared by those little fibers, but it honestly looks amazing, so I definitely am going to keep using this a lot. I used a new AOA Studio product, and this is their Fillips plumping lip gloss, and I have to say I used this like before everything else went on, and this does sting your lips. I honestly wasn't expecting that, but it worked. It had a little bit of a tingle, and it was really nice and really hydrating before everything else went on, so I really enjoyed that. So I went ahead and purchased another bite-sized eyeshadow. I mentioned this in so many favorites videos, it's crazy, so I wanted to try out just another color story, and this one is the Açaí. You get 4 shades in here. You get 2 mattes and 2 shimmers. I really wasn't that impressed by this palette. I think the eyeshadow looks cute, but I don't know. The darker shade was really nice, but I wasn't having too much fun applying it on the lid. A lot of the shimmers kind of blended away. Next, we have the SHEGLAM mascara, and this is their Max Impact Easy Off Volumizing Mascara. So they did add a lot of new mascaras on their website with so many different brushes, so you can choose whichever calls out to you, but I picked up this one, which comes with an hourglass shaped wand. I have to say I'm really impressed by this product. It worked out so well. I have it on my lower lashes. I also used it in my upper, and it was just a nice experience. I felt like my lashes were lifted, and I definitely cannot wait to use this when I'm not wearing lashes and see how they last, if they droop throughout the day, because this honestly really impressed me. I've just added a bunch of new lip liners, and basically they are this kind of triangle shape situation. I got mine in the shade Deep Brown, and this is called their Love Triangle Lip Filler Liner. I've heard that the reviews for this product are not that great, and I have to say it's much smaller than I was expecting, which whatever, that's fine. And also I wanted to mention this is a really dry formula, so when I was applying it on the lips, it just wasn't a pleasant experience, but I think that's just because it was my first time using it. As you can see, it's starting to get a little rounder, like the actual product, whereas before, like, you know, the first time I was using it, it was really sharp and it was kind of hurting my lips. But I think the more I use it, it's going to be more comfortable. So I really enjoyed that product. And then the lip gloss, definitely a win. I went ahead and filled in my lips with that liner and just threw this over top, and I have to say my lips look amazing. It's so glossy and not sticky at all. It smells really nice, like vanilla. And this is their e.l.f. Cookies and Dreams lip gloss, and this one does come in a couple other like colors, and this one is in the shade Brain Freeze. I really recommend this. It's really nice and I'm definitely enjoying that. Next we have the SHEGLAM lightweight long lasting setting powder, and I really much enjoyed this as well. I got mine in the shade Warm Sand. I don't know if that haul video is up already, but I did film a whole haul video from SHEGLAM. I really enjoyed that. I have the e.l.f. Putty blush as well as their bronzer. I got the bronzer in the shade Golden Daze. It's a little orangey on me, but I really liked how it blended out, especially with the brushes that I picked up. Yeah, I picked up a couple of brushes. You guys are going to see when I'm applying them on the screen. And then I picked up their Putty blush in the shade Bali. I feel like the blush is a little dark, but it blended out really nicely. Not sure how much I enjoyed the actual like putty blush brush. It's just, I don't know, I didn't really like it with that product, but the actual blush itself was really nice. And then the bronzer worked so amazing, and the putty, I believe it's called like the Putty Primer brush itself, I used it for the bronzer and it worked out so well. I really enjoyed it and it just blended it in so effortlessly. I really like that. Now let's talk primers. I finally purchased this product. A lot of people were raving about their new primer, which is a Power Grip primer. So I did go ahead and try this on, and I have to say it reminded me so much of the Mint Melt Cooling Face Primer. Honestly, they're really similar, so I really want to kind of put them to a test. It really did remind me of the other primer that they already have, so I kind of want to test them out against each other and see what the differences are. And I also went ahead and picked up the e.l.f. Cookies and Dreams Putty Primer, and this is called the Just a Cream Putty Primer. And I have to say it's a different consistency than the actual putty primer. I own two of them. I have the luminous and the original, and I have to say this one, the consistency is a little different, but it smells so good and I really recommend it. It was really nice. Definitely did blur the skin. I just went ahead and threw it on the center of the face, and it was a really nice experience. I like it. I like the packaging. Kind of looks like an Oreo moment, and yeah, so I'm glad that I picked this up. So we have this product, which is from the Dollar Tree. I wanted to update you guys on the Be Pure Infuse Pressed Powder, and I use this for the under eyes. I loved it. It was so easy to use, and it also did mattify my skin, so that was really exciting. This is not really new, but I did mention this in a Dollar Tree haul video, and this is LA Colors Highlight in the shade Shine Bright. I have this in the inner corner and on the face, and so good. For $125, it's amazing. I went ahead and picked up the Cookies and Dreams sponge as well. I have not heard anyone say that this looks like the Sonia Kashuk sponges. I don't know why nobody's talking about that, but yeah, this is the e.l.f. sponge and it worked amazing. I used it for my foundation, I used it for my concealer. It's a really good sponge, so I know I'm going to reach for that quite a lot. Then lastly, for setting spray, I use the ColourPop No Filter setting spray. No, not lastly, I have a couple of powder products, but honestly, this is the second time I'm using this and I'm not impressed. It's just not, I don't know, not what I expected. I also used the Metamorphosis Royal Feathers Situation. I used their powder blush, this one here in pink, and it's just so pretty. It looks amazing on the skin, so I'm so happy I picked this up. And also I finally used this one on camera, which is the City Color Hello Beautiful whole like face palette situation. I went ahead and bronzed the skin with this product and it's just really nice. So yeah, that's the update on everything. We made it to the end. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming this for you today. Everything that I talked about, other names of the prices, are going to be down below, as well as any videos that I mentioned throughout this video or videos that I uploaded last week. Don't forget to upload 3 times a week on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. So if you could stick around, that would be amazing. I have my Insta handle displayed on the screen. I post a lot of makeup finds from drugstore to high end, so if that interests you, go ahead and follow me there. And it'd be so amazing if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. You're your own person and you make your own decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to give this video a like, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.